got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
There you go. Wow, look at this pool. This is the infinity pool. Or maybe not.
Of water.
Wow, look at that.
My life, time goes on, but I'm saying goodbye.
Okay, go for it. Huh? Hacia el frente, duro. Hopefully I got him.
Okay, Daddy, go for it. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Too many stories, yeah, I've heard them all. So many big dreams got me feeling so small. But I found a thing, the most beautiful thing. Tell me, what are you waiting for? So listen up.
Okay, you can come out if you want to.
My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading now.
All right, we're going back from the natural pool, and we lost some of our footage just on the way to the natural pool, and well, we were able to take some pictures, tape a little bit, and enjoy just that pool. It's just beautiful, guys.
Well, hopefully it's not going to erase again on the way back to the car.
Hopefully not, and we have an extra memory actually. So
GoPro, don't fail us!
yeah, it just got erased by turning it off. So so we're going back. So here we go. Is coming.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines.